Hello all. Today I will show you how to create the maintenance order for material consumption. Okay, means today I am going to create the maintenance order for a transmission material and transmission section where there is some material involvement, and subsequently I will try to consume those material against maintenance order. Getting my points? So for this the transaction code is first I is 01. Getting my points? I is 01 to create the maintenance order. Here I am going to choose the functional location. The functional location is the combination of the circle code, subsequently the business area code, then study code. Then the all the SDCA is available in the particular BA is showing here. Okay, I'm just Tamil Nadu circle and Coimbatore SSA. Getting my points? And click on this, uncheck the deleted objects. Getting my points? And you just click on execute. Once you execute, all the SDCA available in the Coimbatore SSA will be showing here. That is Tripur SDCA, Coimbatore SDCA, Unti SDCA, like that. Getting my points? And these are the corresponding the study codes. Getting? And I'm just clicking this Coimbatore SDCA. Getting my points? And in Coimbatore SDCA, there are so many exchanges, non-BSNL exchanges plus BSNL exchanges, both are available here. I'm going to Alendurai exchange. I'm going to Alendurai exchange. Getting my points? Getting my points? In Alendurai exchange and broadband section, CM section, electrical section, and FOD section, FID section, LC section, civil section, transmission section. Getting my points? Yeah, I'm going the transmission section and click on this equipment, that is ADM Tejas CBM LD. Some faults is there available. Getting my points? So click on this equipment, go to create notification. This is the general notification. I'm just going to create the general notification. Just click. Okay, click on this maintenance type, that is the general maintenance, and click on the enter. Okay, just click on continue. Getting my points? Rectification of outdoor fault maintenance. Getting my points? I'm just going to uh, FC jobs, patch card rearrangements, OFC joint pit. Getting my points? And okay, you just click your disk section. Getting my points? Yes. And initiator as a 9910 and person responsible is same. Getting my points? You can change the person responsible and initiator, both are indivisible. Getting my points? Click on the priority. Priority is a minor. Getting my points? Getting? So, and just save this notification. Okay, one notification has been generated now. Just save this notification. Getting my points? Now just change this notification using IW22 and click on enter. Getting my points? You put in process and create the maintenance order. Order type is order type is uh, preventive maintenance order, AMC requirement order, general maintenance order, breakdown maintenance order. If you are going for AMC maintenance, then you choose BM07. Here I am going for the general maintenance order, that is BM03, and click on OK. Getting my points? Now here you have to go for operation tab. If you are going to maintain any services, like if you have taken any maintenance services from external vendor, then you just maintain the details of the cost and estimates in this operation tab. Select the operation tab, click on the external. You have to maintain the price here, and material group is here, purchase group is here, agreement, requisitioner, and component and all you have to maintain here. Getting my points? And now I am going to maintain the component. Getting my points? My main objective is to consume the material from our storage location in maintenance order. Getting my points? So I'm going to consume the material. Some drop wire is there. This drop wire is available in our this drop wire is available in our store. Okay. See, 171.598 kilometers available in our store. I'm just going to consume this drop wire self-supported SSW 0.5 mm. Getting my points? So I'm just requirement quantity is 10 kilometer, and no, 10 meter is there. Okay. Length SLOC is 1000 and plant code is 3002. Getting my points? So if you're going to if you have utilized more than one material, then you maintain all the material and the storage location plant detail is here. Getting my points? If your requirement is just one material, then you just maintain one material. This is just a training video. I'm here going to tell you how to consume the material using maintenance order. So I have maintained only one material, that is 0.5 mm drop wire, that is 10 meter requirement is there. Getting my points? In the component field, you have to maintain the material data, the inventory, the material you have used in your maintenance. In uh, Getting my points? And in operation field, select the operation field and go in the here. Here is the components is available here. Getting my points? If you change this PM03, then services are, you have to maintain the services, external services, plant maintenance, external services. You have taken externally services from external vendor. Getting my points? Then you have to choose this. Select this, go on the external. Okay. You have to maintain the material group, plants groups, and all, like operation quantity, uh, material group. You have to maintain here. Getting my points? I'm not going to maintain all those things. Getting my points? So in the component field, you have to you just I have maintained only one material is here, and now going to save. Getting one maintenance order has been created now. Now you have to just note down the maintenance order. That is our MO, general maintenance order. Getting my points? Now I'm going to just change this maintenance order IW32. IW32 for changes in maintenance order, IW31 is for creation of the maintenance order, and IW33 is for the display of the maintenance order. Getting? This is our maintenance order. I'm going to change. Getting my points? Once I'm going to release this, once I'm going to release this maintenance order, yeah, our maintenance order has now released. Getting my points? Go in the operation tab. Okay, now our maintenance order has been released now. Getting my points? Copy this maintenance order, copy this maintenance order, and go in MB25 order. You just see the reservation, the material I have reserved for the maintenance order is showing here. The reservation list is showing here. Getting my points? It is taking time. It is taking time. Alternatively, you go to the components tab in the general data. In the general data, you will get the reservation. Okay, this is our reservation. The two method to check the reservation number is this reservation number. This is our reservation number, and alternate method is that you go in the MB25 and fill the material or fill the plant, fill the order, okay, fill the requirement date, you will get the reservation number. Getting my points? MB25, most precisely, requirement date is today date, okay, and the maintenance order is this. I'm just going to execute. Okay, no reservation is showing here. Okay, this is our MO. Okay, okay. Because our maintenance order is in not in the release state, I'm just going to release, okay, and save. I'm going to release and save. Then again in the MB25 material requirement date and maintenance order, and just going to this. Getting my points? This is our reservation number, requirement date, movement type will use 261 and 10 meter drop wire I'm just going to use in this maintenance work. Getting my points? Okay. So our the next work is MeGo activity. MeGo. In the MeGo, goods issue against reservation. What is the reservation number? This is our reservation number. And I'm just going to goods issue against this reservation number for this uh, maintenance work. Getting my points? Just click on this enter. I'm just going to issue in the month of December. Getting my points? Goods issue OFC work. Okay. OFC EX transmission work. Getting my points? Yeah. And this 10 meter quantity is reserved in the main store against this maintenance order in the Coimbatore plant in BSNL company code. This is the valuation type ZFZN underscore PURCH. Okay. In the material, click on OK. Quantity 10 meter. Okay. Where main store to SD transmission OFC. Getting my points? Reservation is showing here. Final issue. Account assignment is in maintenance order. Getting my points? You're just going to issue. Okay. So this is the activity. Getting my point? Click on the collective slip. Check whether this document is okay or not. Oh yes, document is okay. Okay. Then post. Once you post this, a 10 meter quantity of drive wire successfully posted. Getting my points? These are the successfully posted against this material document. Getting my points? The number is this. Okay. Now I'm just going to check this material in MB51. And MB51, okay, the material data is this 3002, storage location, and posting date is today date. Okay, 8/12/2020. Getting my points? Okay. I'm just you can also check in your 1000 store, the 10 meter quantity will be reduced from unrestricted store. Getting my points? Once you post this goods issue against reservation, the 10 meter quantity will be issue against reservation to the maintenance order. Getting my points? Okay. For the two quantity, first the 2 meter drop wire will be used. Getting my points? And then 10 meter drop wire will be used against this reservation, and this reservation. Getting my points? Okay. So this is all about how to create the maintenance order for the material and subsequently how to issue the material to the maintenance order from the storage location. Okay. So this is all about. Please uh, like, share and subscribe this video, and still not subscribe my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Okay. Have a nice day. And again, ERP SAP team is wishing you all a very happy new year 21. Okay, 2021. Okay, stay happy, stay healthy, and take care all.